won't even hold you, sis. This is hands down the best closure I have ever gotten. Not even gonna hold you. Not even gonna hold you.
Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up. Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to Crashland. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. But I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah. The Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do?
Y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Luvme Hair. Shout out to you, Luvme, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. Okay, so this unit is a 4C edges, undetectable, kinky straight, kinky edges, 5x5, closure lace, glueless wig, afro inspired. It comes in 16 to 22 inches. I'm not 100% sure what length they sent me, but I want to say that I have it in 20 inches. It's giving 20 to me. Y'all can let me know what you guys think, but I have all that information listed down below in the description box for your convenience. So it says 4C edges and undetectable lace, flawless melt like growing right from your head. Not one lie told. Glueless install, wear and go, can take off daily. Not one lie told. No extra work. Perfect alternative for sleek baby hair. 100% human hair. soft and durable, can be restyled and dyed, can be mid and side parted. So even though this is, I'm wearing it as a middle part, if you wanted to, you could part it elsewhere. Okay, so if you wanted to part it on the right or the left or whatever, you can. And you got about from, let's see, from here to here to do so. So, yeah. It says 100% virgin hair from one donor. It's 20 inches. That's the model length. It's 150% density. It is kinky hair, so 150 is pretty thick anyway. So, yeah. Natural color, 4C edges. It can be dyed. It's 4 combs, and it is a 5x5 closure. And it's undetectable Swiss lace. Okay, so those are all the details and specs that are on the actual site. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys what I think, honey. Not what I think, but my details and specs. So first of all, I wanna go ahead and let you guys know, in case you didn't get it from when I picked it up, I have no adhesive on this wig whatsoever right now. Like none. So like none. Now I do want to go ahead and mention, you guys saw the edges when I initially took the unit out of the packaging. I wanted to see if I could kind of give that, you know, went and got like a blowout and got my edges straightened look with this wig, and I did achieve it. Now granted, it looked like it's gonna rain, so probably when I go back outside, all of that is gonna curl and 4C back up, but it, to me, it makes it more realistic like that. I don't know, it may just be a my thing, but and I also want to show you guys, because I know a lot of you guys are like, I ain't with them edges. Even if you aren't, you can use your straightening comb and achieve, you know, like a really natural sort of straight out of the salon sort of look. You know what I mean? A blowout or whatever. You can still do that if you're not into the 4C edges. And with this particular unit, the edges, the 4C wasn't as tightly coiled, and it wasn't as thick. So I really like that, and I know a lot of you guys like that as well. You don't really like when it's like too much hair, too dense. This one was not like that. So also, as far as shedding and tangling, honey, I have not experienced any of the tings. That's not to say at some point it won't. It's just straight out of the packaging, it is not. Now this unit did come with pre-attached, not pre-attached, and a detachable elastic band. So in my opinion, it is big head friendly, but with that band, it makes it super secure for you guys to wear it glueless like I'm wearing it now. So I made it really tight in the back, and it, you know, like I said, I can wear it glueless. So to me, in my opinion, it's more medium to big head friendly, but if you have a smaller head, I still think you can make it work. But if you want to wear it glueless, I would suggest, if you have a smaller head, getting a smaller size. That's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. I do want to go ahead and mention that I did bleach the knots on this unit, and it bleached beautifully in my humble opinion, like not aware. But yeah, so I feel like it bleached really nice, and yeah, that is pretty much it for the details and specs. Now if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. All right, so you guys know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. The only con I could even think of with this wig is, I'm just gonna say it's a closure, and everybody don't like closures, child, because I can't think of nothing. If you think of a different con, let me know down below. But right out the back, I can't think of no con with this unit, so that's what it's just gonna have to be. All right, so on to my pros, and even though I said that the closure part may be a con for other people, it is a pro for your girl, because you know I love a good closure, and I really love a 5x5 closure. Like, look at this part, honey. Okay, so I love that it's a closure. I also really like about this particular closure is that there, you know how, you know how with closures, they have that little thing that you have to cut off on the side. This did not have that. And without that, I feel like it made the wig lay really, really good. Like, y'all, they did their thing with this. Like, they did their thing with this unit. I kid you not, sis. Like, I love that. So right now, like, that is my two major pros. I also love just the overall hair. You guys know I love a good kinky straight wig anyway. And you can curl it if you want to. You can wear it straight like I'm wearing it. You can wear it big like it was when straight out of the packaging. I feel like it just, I love me some kinky straight hair, okay? I don't even know what else to say. I love kinky straight hair. So yeah, those are my pros. I went on a tangent, child. Yes, I would recommend this unit, 110,000%. I think all of you guys should try this unit. I am obsessed, honey, okay? And she will not be leaving my side, okay? I love this wig. Like, this is, I kid you not, probably the best closure I have ever gotten. And I think it's just mainly because it didn't have those things on the side. Also, the lace, it just blends really good. Like, can you tell I don't have on any adhesive? Can you tell I'm wearing a wig? So yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. It's the most beginner-friendly wig you could probably get, girl. All right, so let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are as obsessed, because your girl is obsessed, as obsessed with this wig as I am. I am interested in all of your thoughts and opinions. Sound off down below. Once again, shout out to You Love Me for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not costing you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HelpsMC on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.